Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Red EDC. Well, I told you we'd be seeing a few CJRB knives come through the channel, and this is, I believe this is the second one we've seen coming up here. This is the CJRB Kain. Now, it looks very familiar, and there's, well, we've kind of had that recently. There's a very good reason it looks familiar, because it was originally designed and produced in Monterey Bay Knives, or at Monterey Bay Knives, I should say, by Mr. Sanford Owen. Beautiful, beautiful knife. Picked this one up at Blade Show West last year from the man himself. And, of course, Sanford being the second half, or other half, I should say, of Monterey Bay Knives, him and Ray Laconico. But the CJRB version, pretty much, you know, dimensions are going to be the same. Obviously, this much more of a budget version. You're talking $40 for this one. Vice, a lot more than $40 for this one for sure. This one is all, you know, pretty much premium materials. But, so on this version, the CJRB version, we've got G10, a very good G10. It's got really, really good texture to it. Fantastic, fantastic grip. I'm going to set this one off to the side for a sec. Fantastic grip on it for sure. Everything's chamfered off very nicely. Inset liners. Definitely deep carry clip. Reversible clip now. Lanyard, folks. Oh yeah, you could do a lanyard on that post if you really wanted to, for sure. Centering. Centering is on point. Right down the center. And everything is. It's chamfered off. It's done very, very well. Of course, RPM 9 steel going on here. Dual thumb studs for deployment, just like the original. And, you know, that's really the only difference is budget materials. Well, pocket clip, too. Of course, you've got a stainless clip vise, the milled clip, and liner lock vise frame lock. Okay, so there's a few differences. Dimensions are still the same. Deployment, still the same. Anyway, detent is on point. Absolutely 100%. Really, really snappy detent on this one. Let's see about the black one. Black one, a little softer detent. Little bit. Just a little bit. Still not bad. But, just maybe just a slightly different. Slightly lighter detent. RPM 9 steel. As I said, this one has a stonewash finish. The black blade, obviously coated blade. Decent choil on it. Now, your thumb stud is in the cutting path or sharpening path, however you want to look at it. Both. But, oh, it is a little bit. I mean, if we go like this, yeah, it is out there a little bit. But such a, you know, it's a small knife. It's not a large knife by any means. So if you're, you know, a fan of the smaller knives, maybe. I just really like the way this fits in my hand. I mean, it's perfect. It's nice, it's skinny, I get a magnificent grip on it, and, you know, we're looking at, I'm betting when I measure it, I mean, it's going to come out to probably 3 1/4-ish on the grip length. But man, very, very nice. Like the overall profile. I mean, you guys know I like the smaller knives. And the profile on this one, nice drop point blade, flat ground. Yeah. I mean, it's pretty much saying everything I want it to say. Now, there is an aluminum version as well, running on ceramic bearings. But let's do our spec check real quick. So we are just shy of 7 inches on this one. About little over 6 3/4. Pretty much a 4-inch handle, and then you're going to get just shy of a 3-inch blade. Closer to a 2 1/4 inch, then it's pretty close. Blade length and cutting edge are really, really close. And then your grip length, let's see the grip length. I'll looky there. Well, it's just shy. It's actually just shy of 3 1/4, about 3 1/8. But still, I am really digging the way it fits in my hand. Absolutely 100%. It feels really, really good. The original did. I had no reason to believe that this one wouldn't either. So let's get a weight on it real quick. 2.2, light. Very light, 61 grams. Let's give the black one some love for a while. So, pocket. See how that deep carry clip works. Very nice. Tucks away in that pocket very, very nicely. Clip is pretty good. Got a decent pop coming out of the pocket. Oh yeah, it's nice and that's a good sturdy clip. That's a good sturdy clip. Not a whole lot of play in it. Like I said, this one's just got a slightly lighter detent. But still, snaps out there. Nice. Access to the liner lock. Fine. No issues. Yeah, jumps out there very, very nicely. So, overall, again, fit and finish, done very well. Let's just check the centering on this one. More than a sample size of 1 for once. Yeah, centering looks pretty darn good to me. Yeah. Detent, like I said, slightly lighter. Overall, good action. It's a dropper. Shake shut. Ready to go. Ergonomics. Kind of already talked about it. Didn't talk about the clip yet. The clip, no issues with the clip whatsoever. I know that it's here, back in this area, but forward of that, nothing. Nothing. Hits my hand almost perfectly. Like I said, I know it's there back here, but it's not an issue. Not a hot spot, nothing like that. Ergonomics are very, very good for me. And like I said, it's a nice, slender knife. I get a fantastic grip on it. And I am really, really digging this version as well. Like I said, I didn't... Well, you know what? I'm going to put that one up there. And I'm going to put this one down here because we're going to look at all 3 of them since we've got them here. And of course, the beauty that is the Monterey Bay knives. Now, I love this design. Like I said, picked up the titanium version last year, Blade Show West. If you're ever at a Blade Show and Sanford and Ray are there, either one of them or the both of them, guys, I highly recommend if you like to, you know what? Even if you don't like their designs, stop by they usually have a table. Stop by their table and say hi. They are both absolutely fantastic people. You guys know I'm a big fan of Ray's designs. I am a big fan of Sanford's designs as well. Both of them are just awesome to talk to and very, very genuine guys. Always got to say hi to them for sure. Hang out maybe for a little while. Have a beer. That's happened once or twice. But Monterey Bay Kain, CJRB Kain. We'll take this one out for now. Just wanted to get that in there. But I am definitely digging the CJRB version. Like I said, more than a sample size of 1 for once. Both of them are really pretty good. Really good detent. Slightly lighter than this one, but still pretty darn good. Huge thank you to CJRB proper for sending these one out. I say that because sometimes Russell sends stuff out as well. These came directly from CJRB. Greatly appreciate it. And of course, I greatly appreciate you guys stopping by to check out the CJRB Kain with me. As always, have a wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe. Whoa, easy there, Hoss. Like, subscribe. Leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.